Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Well, Capleton is holding firm. A slew of industry players flocked to the lawns of Police Officers Club last evening to pay their respects to Capleton's longtime manager Claudette Kemp. E-Prime team was there and captured a few emotional moments from Capleton, who fought hard not to break down.
You don't want to go down with my Christ too. Come on, King Charles.
The reggae icon sang some of Miss Kemp's favorite hits from his catalogue, which was well received by friends and fans.
Where you on? Where you on? Mr. York from your born Babylon yet. Where you on? Where you on? Push it up. Oh, you take so long.
Now, Miss Kemp managed Capleton for 22 years. E-Prime spoke with Capleton after he exited the stage, where he shared that she was a loving person who taught him a lot of life lessons.
Perform for her as usual, you know what I mean? But I say she have a deeply miss, you know what I mean? Because she's a great woman and, you know what I mean? She taught us a lot, you know what I mean? So, you know, she's a real person, she's a real humanitarian.
The remembrance service for Claudette Kemp will be held tomorrow at Boulevard Baptist Church. Now, the repast will be held at the Police Officers Club, where Capleton will be performing with his band. Miss Kemp was cremated. Capleton also thanked everyone for their support.
I say I just bless everyone and give thanks. They are the ones and ones who turn out and come support the thing, you know what I mean? Because I know Miss Kemp stalwarting the thing, you know, from who you want to know, you know what I mean? So, and, you know, she done a great job, you know, to the fraternity, you know what I mean, over the years in terms of, you know, the music and the culture. So, we do give thanks and it was a joy, you know, perform for her as usual, you know what I mean?
Our condolences go out to Miss Kemp's family as well as to Capleton. Now, Burna Boy pays homage to Sizzla and makes appearance at Judgment Yard yesterday. It was pure pandemonium when the African giant visited Sizzla Kalonji at his residence in Augustown. Now, the reggae hitmaker uploaded a slew of videos from the visit where Burna was seen enjoying Sizzla's music. The Nigerian superstar paid homage to Sizzla, saying he is one of his biggest inspirations and reminding him when they met back in South Africa in 2014. He added that being at Judgment Yard felt so much like home.
On my first album, your face is hidden there somewhere, so you've been a big inspiration to me. So it's an honor for me to be here in front of all of you. In Sizzla Kalonji's home, Judgment Yard. I appreciate all the love. I feel so at home.
Now, Sizzla responded, sharing how honored he was.
Yes, Burna, big up yourself and pleasant welcome. You know what I'm saying? We say less, don't say 40. We live at 40 Augustown Road, Kingston 7. It's an honor having you here, says Speed, South Africa. Rastaman them always that say, we are very true to Africa, we always stand for repatriation.
It was a great move by Burna, Jamaica and Africa uniting, of course. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.